Hello students, welcome back. Today we shall study The Merchant of Venice, Act 2, Scene 3. In this scene, we will be introduced to one more important character, that is Shylock's daughter, Jessica. So let's start. This scene introduces us to Shylock's daughter, Jessica, and to her love affair with Lorenzo. Actually, she is in love with Lorenzo, who is a Christian. Shylock is not present in this scene, but the eagerness which Jessica manifests to leave her father's home adds to Shylock's image of a miserly tyrant. Tyrant is a cruel ruler, and miserly as he was a miser. Jessica's plan to elope with Lorenzo gives Shylock another reason to hate Christians. So Shylock already hated Christians, but when he comes to know that Jessica has eloped with a Christian, his anger towards the Christian is intensified. Jessica gives Lancelot a message to be delivered to Lorenzo. She then expresses her plan to end the conflict between her love for Lorenzo and her loyalty to her father by marrying Lorenzo. Actually, in this scene, you will see that Jessica is in a dilemma. She is in a conflict whether she should stay back with her father because she is not happy to be her father's daughter, as we will study in the next scene. Also, she loves a Christian, so there is a dilemma, or there is a lots of conflict going on in her mind, and she finally decides to run away or elope with Lorenzo and become a Christian. So let's start. This scene is, it takes place in Venice, a room in Shylock's house. Enter Jessica and Lancelot. Lancelot is Shylock's servant. I mean, he was the servant till now, but then he wants to leave his service and join Bassanio's service. So here we see a conversation between Jessica and Lancelot. Jessica says, "I am sorry thou wilt leave my father so." Now Jessica says, "I am very sad to know that you are leaving my father's service and you will be joining Bassanio's service. Our house is hell." She says, "This house is hell, and thou a merry devil, but you helped me raise my spirits by cheering me up like a funny devil." She calls him a devil, but then she says, "You were there to cheer me up from this hell." Hell में कौन रहता है? Devils. So you were a merry devil who would help me in cheering up my spirits. Didst rob it of some taste of tediousness. That means your lively spirit made this hell or this house of my father a little less miserable. But fare thee well. Anyways, goodbye. Since you have decided to go, so goodbye. There is a ducat for thee. Then she hands over, or she gives him a ducat. And Lancelot, soon at supper shalt thou see Lorenzo, who is thy new master's guest. Give him this letter, do it secretly. She hands him a ducat, and then she hands over a letter to him saying that you will be meeting Lorenzo in your new master's house tonight. So hand over this letter to him and do it secretly. Like, don't expose it. Don't give this letter to him in front of others. So do it. Do this work very privately, very secretly. That means only Lorenzo should receive this letter. And so farewell. Okay, so goodbye. I would not have my father see me talk with me. I really do not want my father talking you with me, because then he will grow suspicious. And so you go and hand over this letter to Lorenzo. Actually, giving a ducat was a type of bribing. She was bribing him so that he does her work instantly without any delay, and also hands it over to Lorenzo. Because servants, if you do not bribe them, or if you do not make them happy by giving them money, they will do the work, but in a way they will spoil it. So Lancelot says, Lancelot is also very fond of Jessica. So because he had been living in Shylock's service for some time, so here he too is fond of her. Lancelot says adieu, goodbye. Tears exhibit my tongue. Now he, as we see, he always talks something ulta pulta. So exhibit means to say inhibit. Inhibit means to stop or prevent. So tears prevent my tongue from speaking anything. So when you are very, you feel like weeping, or when your throat is full, or there are tears in your eyes, you are not able to speak. Most beautiful pagan, most sweet Jew. So he says you are the most beautiful pagan and the most sweet of the Jewess. If a Christian do not play the knave and get thee, I am much deceived. If a Christian doesn't come here and get you away or take you away and marry you and keep you happy, that means I will be deceived. That means I will be deceived of being a Christian. He has full faith that a Christian, that is Lorenzo, will definitely come according to the plan and take you away from here. But adieu. But anyways, goodbye. These foolish drops do somewhat drown my manly spirit. Adieu. And then he says these foolish drops of tears are preventing me from my manly spirit. Actually, men are not supposed to be weeping or crying like girls. So he says this prevent me from speaking anything. Anyways, goodbye. And he takes the letter and goes away. Jessica, farewell, good Lancelot. So Jessica bids him goodbye and then Lancelot leaves. Lancelot, alack, what heinous sin it is in me. So after bidding goodbye to Lancelot, she is talking to herself. She is alone. She is left alone in the house. Shylock is not there in the house at the moment. And then she is talking to herself, saying that, alack, what a heinous sin it is in me. Alas, what a terrible sin. I mean sin or pity it is to me, my father's daughter. To be ashamed to be my father's child. She says, I am really, it's a very big crime, or it's a very big sin that I feel ashamed to be called my father's child, because she is not happy living with her father. But though I am a daughter to his blood, I am not to his manners. And then she says, although I am a daughter to him by birth, I do not match with him in any of the manners. My behavior is entirely different from that of my father. Oh, then she wishes, or she hopes, she says, oh Lorenzo, if thou keep promise, I shall end this strife. And then she says, oh Lorenzo, if only you keep your promise of taking me away from here, I shall end all the strife, the conflict that is going on in my mind. Become a Christian and thy loving wife. The conflict was that whether I should remain with my father, should I be very loyal to my father, or I should run away with a Christian and lead a happy life. So she says that, oh Lorenzo, if only you prove true to be or loyal to be a lover in taking me away from here, I am ready to change myself into a Christian and become your loving wife. So that is all in this scene.